What's happening, guys? I'm the Stock Guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I made $100 in just 5 minutes day trading stock options. Okay, so I'm starting up here with this with my monitor screen up here because I wanted to show you guys the profit today. You can see right here we got $100 profit. Everything is closed out, and I also wanted to show you guys that I got in here at 9:40 and I sold at 9:45. So this was just a 5-minute trade, guys. So $100 in just 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. So let's switch over to the charts here, and I'll show you guys what was happening, okay? So SPY started off down today. We were gapping down. So at the open, I was watching for either a gap and go to the downside, which is what we ended up getting, or a reversal and trying to close the gap, which didn't end up happening. So we ended up getting the gap and go here. So what happened is we made an initial little move down. We kind of set like a support, and then we tried to move higher. And you can see with this topping wick here, got totally rejected when we tried to move higher. Couldn't move higher. Started going down. So what I did is I shorted right here at this candle at 9:40 as we broke below this support. Okay, so it's really important, guys, that I got in at an important time of while we were breaking this support level, because it's going to come in with a lot of sellers and we're going to be able to sell off, which is exactly what happened here. So we broke below this support and then we kept going. And then I ended up selling right on this candlestick right here for the $100 profit, which actually is 20% profit. I can go ahead and show you guys. I got in here at $1 per contract, and I got out at $1.20 per contract. So 20% profit on this trade. And it was pretty obvious. You know, it was a pretty clear move today. We started off down, and then it was just a typical gap and go. So I just wanted to show you guys, you know, that you can make decent money trading stocks. You can do it quick. And, you know, this day trading really does work. Anybody could do this. So this trade today, I only had $500 in the trade. I bought 5 contracts at $100 a contract. So 500 bucks made me $100 today. So I think pretty much everybody has 500 bucks. So if you want to start trading, you can do it. I'm not saying start with that much, but I'm just saying it definitely is possible for anybody to make money trading the stock market. And I also just want to show you guys this really quick here. This is my Discord name. You can go ahead and add me on Discord. And I have a whole Discord group full of stock traders, and I share my ideas. I share my trades on there every day, so you guys can take these trades with me. And also, guys, I just want you to go ahead and check out my channel below, the Stock Guru. I've got a lot more videos like this one, and I promise you guys, every video I put out, you can learn something from. All right, so go ahead and check them out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.